depending on the traffic or lighting conditions, available IntelliBeam can automatically turn your high beams on or off for you. If your vehicle has this feature, you can operate either of the following, depending on how your vehicle is equipped: the dedicated button on the left turn signal stalk, the virtual button on the center display lighting menu, or you'll have to push the left turn signal stalk forward, then back. Then you'll notice either a green A icon or an icon with the word Auto appear on the instrument panel once it's enabled. When the Auto setting is turned on, IntelliBeam will automatically turn your high beams off when it detects the headlamps of an approaching vehicle or the tail lamps of a vehicle you're following. It uses a sensor behind the inside rearview mirror to detect these. This feature will only turn the high beams on at speeds above 25 miles per hour. To activate IntelliBeam, place your turn signal lever in the neutral position and turn the exterior lamp control to auto. Then, depending on your vehicle, you can either press the IntelliBeam button on the left turn signal stalk, tap the virtual button on the center display lighting menu, or push the turn signal stalk forward and back to the neutral position. When the feature is active and your low beam headlamps are on, an icon will appear on the instrument panel. Once activated, your high beams will toggle depending on what's happening around you. You'll see a blue icon on the instrument panel when IntelliBeam turns your high beams on, and your setting selection will remain each time you turn your vehicle on. You can disable this feature by the high-low beam changer or flash to pass. Or, depending on how your vehicle is equipped, you can also turn it off via the IntelliBeam button on the left turn signal stalk or the virtual button in the lighting menu. While IntelliBeam can turn your high beams on or off depending on the lighting conditions, there are some factors that may affect the way it works, like if the sensor on the windshield is obstructed, if the other vehicle's headlamps or tail lamps are obstructed by dirt or snow, or if they're missing or damaged, if you're driving on winding or hilly roads, if your vehicle's front end is pointing upward, causing the sensor to aim too high to detect other vehicles' headlamps, or if the feature is not enabled. So whenever you think about your high beams, just let IntelliBeam do the work for you.